This laboratory experience requires a 500 milliliters beaker, a 500 milliliters flask, a funnel, some spatulas, a precision balance, a stirrer, a magnet, some filter paper, a universal pH indicator, distilled water, urea, sodium bicarbonate, sodium sulfate, ammonium chloride, sodium chloride, monopotassium phosphate, dipotassium phosphate, calcium chloride, 0.5 molar sodium hydroxide solution, and magnesium sulfate. In the first part, we will proceed with the preparation of synthetic urine. Firstly, let's pour 100 milliliters of distilled water into the beaker. Add 10 grams of urea, and then place the beaker on the stirrer, setting it at a speed between 100 and 300 revolutions per minute. We'll also insert the magnet into the potion. Then, we will start weighing all the other substances needed to form the synthetic urine. Now let's pour the amount of distilled water needed to reach 500 milliliters into the beaker. To obtain struvite, we use the following precipitation reaction. Then, we have to check the pH of the solution by using our universal indicator. The precipitation reaction is favored by a pH between 8 and 8.5. Now, we add few drops of sodium hydroxide so to reach the ideal pH and the magnesium sulfate. After 24 hours, the struvite has completely precipitated. The following day, we will go on filtrating to recuperate the struvite. We will use a funnel, equipped with a paper filter, which has been gently wet with some distilled water, and a flask. After being completely dried, this is what the struvite looks like.